We'll guide you through how to download Alight Motion on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With this, you can go and do animations and graphics. Head into the description or the pinned comment and go and find the link. This will bring you to BlueStacks. We need to use BlueStacks in order to go and download it. That is a link which supports the channel and no extra cost to you. Press download and it will then get onto your computer. Open up your file explorer and you want to go and double click on the installer and it will run. In the bottom right here, it will go and say install for you. Go and click on it and let it run. It will download and install what it needs. When it opens, if it doesn't automatically open the store, go to the top right and you can press search and you want to go and type in Alight Motion. Here it is, you can go and click on it and you want to press install from Google Play. You can then go and press install like so. You're going to be prompted to go and sign into your Google account as well, as we're using the Google Play Store. When it's finished, you can open it or press the home at the top or the bottom right and you can click it from the home screen and it will open. You can press get started. There's the free trial, or we can go and close that for now in the top right and we can go and start using it. Press the plus in the middle at the bottom and you can go and start creating your project. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.